In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start chatting from the Deepseek website on your iPhone, step by step. Let's get right into it. First, open your browser. Let me open the Google. Now go to Deepseek website. Once you have typed in the Deepseek website, hit search. Now log into your account. As I have already logged into it, I'm directly on the home page of the Deepseek. Now once you are in, you message the Deepseek from here. You can also see this new chat right here. Tap on it and you can start new chat from here. Once you have started the new chat, send it by clicking on this button. Now you are chatting directly from the website, easy and efficient even from your iPhone. And that's it, you're all set to chat with Deepseek on the go. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe and tap that notification bell so you never miss a helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.